With rising energy costs and growing environmental concerns, homeowners in Washington are increasingly seeking ways to make their homes more energy efficient. One of the most effective yet often overlooked upgrades is installing energy-efficient doors. These doors can significantly reduce energy loss, lower utility bills, and enhance home comfort. If you're considering an upgrade, here's why energy-efficient doors are a smart investment for your Washington home. How energy-efficient doors help reduce utility bills. Energy-efficient doors are designed with advanced materials and insulation features to minimize heat transfer between indoor and outdoor spaces. By improving insulation, these doors prevent unwanted drafts, reduce strain on heating and cooling systems, and maintain a more consistent indoor temperature. Key benefits include improved insulation. High-quality insulation in energy-efficient doors keeps your home warm in winter and cool in summer, reducing the need for excessive heating or air conditioning. Reduced air leaks. Properly sealed doors prevent drafts and air leaks, ensuring that conditioned air stays inside and external temperatures do not affect indoor comfort. Lower HVAC costs. When less energy is required to maintain a comfortable temperature, heating and cooling systems work more efficiently, leading to reduced energy consumption and lower utility bills. Types of energy-efficient doors. When selecting an energy-efficient door, it's important to consider the material, insulation, and design. Here are some of the best options for Washington homeowners. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are an excellent choice due to their superior insulation and durability. They resist warping, rotting, and moisture damage, making them ideal for Washington's climate. Many fiberglass doors are equipped with insulated cores to enhance thermal performance. Steel doors. Steel doors offer excellent energy efficiency and security. Many models come with an insulated foam core that helps reduce heat transfer. Additionally, steel doors are highly durable and require minimal maintenance. Wood doors with insulation. Traditional wooden doors can be energy efficient if properly designed with insulation features. Look for wood doors with solid cores or built-in insulation to maximize efficiency while maintaining a classic aesthetic. Glass patio doors with low-E coating. Glass patio doors can be energy efficient when equipped with double or triple pane glass, low-E, low emissivity coatings, and gas fills between panes. These features help reduce heat gain in summer and heat loss in winter while allowing natural light to enter your home. Choosing the right energy-efficient door for your home. When selecting an energy-efficient door, consider the following factors. Energy Star certification. Look for doors with the Energy Star label, which signifies compliance with energy efficiency standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Weather stripping and seals. Ensure your door has quality weather stripping and tight seals to prevent drafts and air leaks. Proper installation. Even the most energy-efficient door won't perform well if improperly installed. Hire a professional to ensure a tight fit and correct sealing. Climate considerations. Choose a door suited to Washington's varying climate conditions, including humidity, rain, and temperature fluctuations. Long-term savings and benefit. Investing in energy-efficient doors is not just about immediate savings on utility bills. It also adds value to your home in the long run. Here are some additional benefits. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to potential buyers, making your home more marketable. Enhanced comfort. A well-insulated home with energy-efficient doors maintains a stable indoor temperature, eliminating cold spots and drafts. Environmental impact. Reducing energy consumption lowers your carbon footprint, contributing to a more sustainable future. Conclusion. Energy-efficient doors are a simple yet powerful way to enhance your home's efficiency, save on utility bills, and improve overall comfort. Whether you choose fiberglass, steel, insulated wood, or low-E glass doors, making the switch to energy-efficient options is a smart investment for Washington homeowners. If you're ready to upgrade, consult a trusted professional to find the best door for your needs and enjoy long-term energy savings.